In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from HostGator to Hostinger. Whether you're seeking better features, pricing, or customer support, transferring your domain can be a seamless process with the right guidance. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your HostGator account. If you're not quite sure where to begin, head over to HostGator's main page. In the top right corner, you'll see the login section. Enter your credentials and click the login button to gain access to your account dashboard. Now that you're in, your next step is to unlock your domain. This is crucial because a locked domain will prevent any transfer attempts. To do this, navigate to the domain settings section within your dashboard. Here, locate the domain you wish to transfer. There should be an option that says domain locking or registrar lock, which will likely have a toggle switch. Simply switch it to off to unlock your domain, making it eligible for transfer. Once that's done, you'll need to secure your EPP or authorization code. This code is like a password that allows the domain transfer process. Again, in your domain settings section, you'll find an option to request this code. The system may provide it to you instantly, or you may receive it via email, so do keep an eye on your inbox. It's important to note this, as you won't be able to proceed without it. With your domain unlocked and your EPP code in hand, open the Google Chrome browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Hostinger is a great platform for hosting, known for its user-friendly interface and competitive pricing. It's on this website where you'll be initiating the domain transfer. Begin the transfer process by looking for the domain transfer option, usually found in the domain section. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Input it carefully, following it up with your EPP authorization code. Ensure there are no typos, as accuracy here is key. The next part involves completing the payment process. Hostinger will guide you through these steps with clear instructions on the screen. Simply follow through with the payment details to ensure the transfer request is processed. After you've completed the payment, there's a final step, confirming the transfer via email. Hostinger will send you an email to the registered account. Open it and follow the provided link or instructions to confirm that you want the transfer to proceed. And there you have it, a few detailed steps, and your domain transfer is on its way to completion. Remember, such processes can take a few days to finalize, and if you encounter any issues along the way, both HostGator and Hostinger's support teams are there to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.